What is your preferred dessert? Please let me know your preferred or what you prefer after lunch. Not all the time I eat anyway. To make rose milk, you need rose water, but this is also good enough. I want to add a little more because I'm getting a lot of boils or something in my face. So it is summer drink of the yeast, they say, concentrated. So I added the sabja seed water in it, and yeah, this is the one I soaked and kept it. It is ready. So it is already swollen. You have to soak it at least more than 10 minutes and add this concentrators roux of I don't know, some drink of the yeast concentrated. Since I have sugar, I don't have sugar, pre-diabetes, so they say, the doctors are telling me take treatment for that, but I don't want to. I want to control with my diet. I'm exercising. I'm doing Tai Chi exercise. Look how it is light, and I'm gonna add little rose water. It smells so good because it cools down your body, and it is really good for summer. And we have to buy more rose milk syrup. I just want to finish.